What the? Oh, no!
Hello, magical human.
Who are you? How did you get in here? Wait a minute. You and I didn't. I knew I shouldn't have eaten that rum raisin ice cream.
No, honey, I'm Xena from Magic Hour.
Oh, thank you. Oh no, my pitch meeting! I'm supposed to be pitching this huge client right now, but I overslept last night because I ate a ton of junk food and I binge watched this sexy British period drama.
I know, sweetheart. One episode so often turns into 8 seasons, but it's okay. I have the solution for you. Bohemian breakfast tea, the crown jewel among natural remedies. Not only does it purify toxins from your body and eliminate free radicals, it also reduces stress, promotes healthy bones, and it's so much better than coffee. Behold Bohemian Breakfast by Magic Hour.
What the? Am I dead?
No, you're in Ojai.
Wow. Ojai.
Magic Hour teas are made in the mystical valley of Ojai, California, otherwise known as Shangri-La. Our teas are made to give you clarity, abundance, insight, and will get you through that very important Zoom meeting.
Zoom meeting? That sounds familiar.
Because you have a very important Zoom meeting right now.
Oh, that's right. I should probably get home.
Silly, you are home.
Hello, magical humans. So, imagine this. Tampons, scented.
And then the commercial. Okay, so there's glitter everywhere.
So, that's my pitch.
Magic Hour tea. You are the magic.